Testing a dynamic dashboard is a nightmare. One second your balance is $5,000, the next second the API updates and your test fails because the data changed. If you are hard coding values in your automation scripts, you are building a flaky house of cards. Today we are going to solve this using TypeScript Generics and Playwright network interceptions. We are going to build a generic mocking utility that lets you control the data perfectly every single time. This is the kind of architecture thinking that wins senior SDET interviews. First, we need to contract. In TypeScript, we use interfaces to define exactly what our data should look like. Look at this user portfolio. Why is this important? Because we don't just want any data. We want valid data by defining the currency. As a union of specific string, TypeScript will scream at us if we try to mock a currency the app doesn't support. This is called type safety. Now for the complex part. We want a utility that can mock any API, whether it's for a user profile, a stock list, or a setting page. We do this using generics. See that? The T. Think of it as a placeholder or a variable for a type. When we call this function, we tell it what T is. This makes the function incredibly reusable. Instead of writing 10 different functions for 10 different APIs, we wrote one that handles everything. We are using page.route. This tells Playwright, hey, if you see a request going to this API, stop it. Don't go to the real server. Just give the browser this JSON instead. Now let's put it on to the work. We're going to test if our UI formats currency correctly. We'll pass in balance of 5,002 and see if the UI displays it with a $sign and a comma. Because we mocked the data, this test is deterministic. It will pass 1000 times out of 1000 because the input is constant. We have completely removed the backend from the equation. TypeScript generics might look intimidating at first, but they are the key to building professional, maintainable automation frameworks. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that subscribe button. In the next video, we are going to look at visual regression testing with Playwright. See you then.